like reviewing my fidgets, like I have before. I'm gonna be reviewing some stuff, and guys, I got new headphones, so cool. Let me just get that out of here. Okay, then get that out of here. We have this. I'm gonna give it like a kind of like an 8 out of 10. Okay, let's get some more fidgets. Fidgets. Sorry about this, guys. I didn't think about this. I just thought about the idea. Ooh. Here's this homemade pillow I made. 10 out of 10. It's really great for stress. And this I have. It was given to me by a friend. It's so cute. It's so nice. This one, it's really good for like squeezing. It's very nice. I just got today. So cool. And and that's all for today, guys. Bye, friends. And if you like this video, click like and subscribe. Goodbye, friends.